Hello, guys. So this is the Arsenal versus Manchester City preview show. So this is a new program where I just conceive, I conceptualize the idea. So it will make sense. Say a day before the day we will play the match. So Mo could just look into the game we want to play. Arsenal Man City as of tomorrow. We'll talk about look out the possible lineups that I will use, some of the possible matters arising with day for this case. So for today's section or today's episode, now me and Baba Saturn I won't start this maiden show yet. So with time, I will invite some kind prominent people in this media space. They're going to join us, they do the preview. So that the day where we go play, our community 50 join plenty. We'll not go disturb them, they will join well. That's the aim of this particular show. Baba Saturn, how you doing now?
Yeah, Patrick, good evening. I'm gone now. Good evening to all of you guys.
All right, so this match, Arsenal versus Manchester City, many people don't talk many things about this game. So make I go ask Baba Sato, how you take see this match, Arsenal versus Manchester City at the Emirates Stadium?
The truth be say, Man City don't come back. They are really doing well for themselves. Not be the kind of Man City what they think we will underrate one kind. Because the truth be say, God may anything not go wrong for Arsenal tomorrow. They will in that place they will understand say Man City they compete for the league as well. Because from the being now before, nobody even give them ideas say they compete for the league except Arsenal and Liverpool, which the chance still there. So we know we are forced to lose that tomorrow game. We just need that win. Just like the way Liverpool don't win today now, don't take more threat to us because any draw when we get from their hand now or lose we'll get from their hand. Meaning if we get drawn now, Liverpool will pass us the big 4 points. So lose 4 points at this stage, not small.
6 points, 6 points.
So if we make sense, if we can't go lose,
okay, draw okay,
so will make sense say if we lose that game. And I believe say home advantage will still there somehow because we there home now. You understand? Yeah. And compared to the caliber player what we still get, although 7 few of them still day injury. So I've seen Arsenal skate through. I'm waiting out to in that one.
You see this match, this match will tire up somehow because of the bad blood they don't get down already.
Yeah.
Arsenal players don't want to take IC Man City players. Man City players like this now, they don't want to take IC Arsenal players. Now, when you check the head-to-head record, where we get with them for the Emirates Stadium, if you look the last 5 games, who don't play for the Emirates Stadium, you go see say they beat us 3, we beat them 2. Even the 2 will just be now, just of recent. We just start to beat them because no man, then they beat us. Look at last 2 seasons. We beat them here 1-0. Last season, we beat them 5-1. Now, if you go even check the Arsenal website, they can put some of the statistics. Look at the first paragraph. We are unbeaten in our last 5 matches against Manchester City. The last 5 times so we don't play against them, we are unbeaten. As an Arsenal pundit or fan, when you see this type of record, how does it make you feel looking up to this particular game? Shey you come mean say they know IS where they go see and draw, so they no go fit because like I exactly make you feel.
Yeah, the fact is say just like the way CHUKS will always talk, the record is meant to set and also meant to be broken. But at this junction, I believe say that momentum if we keep on, because the truth is say this is all before Manchester City when we should know before. Like the life of the De Bruyne and the rest. De Bruyne not there again, you understand? So I believe say the kind of caliber players when we still get now, we suppose harm them more than the way they be before. And home advantage as well, just like we are talking about now. Man City, yes, not towards the about it, say they're the big club, yes. But at this junction, I believe say they're not supposed to match our ground. And moreover, just like that bad blood we need to talk about your plan, which is this person not just only beating them, this person is a mom, which is Eliala. And he comparing now say Saliba get injury. You understand? Because they know the way they say they pocket her. And moreover, and I still believe say in the life of Gabriel no will give that guy a chance. You understand? Onto that bad blood and the rest of them. So that game, just like the way you said talk here now, that game no easy. Now bad moves. Because the 2 of them are just scattered out. And at this junction now, we cannot afford to lose any points as we lose for Liverpool again. If we really want to compete for this EPL.
Yeah. Now you just mentioned Saliba. Now the argument. Some people they talk say make Mosquera play, then get confidence. Say Mosquera go fit handle Eli Alan. Although I think I don't tell us say Saliba on the train. Me, I get feeling say Saliba go fit play this game. But if the physios come say okay, Saliba, you are fit to play. If you the Ateta should show you go play Saliba, but you go still get confidence in Mosquera. Say okay, he play against Liverpool, he play against Atletico Bilbao, he do well for Leeds. Okay, Oku play against Man City. You go get confidence if you see Saliba, if you see Mosquera they play against Salah.
I give 100% to Mascara. This guy no fit just come from injury, dey fit the way that Mascara be presently now. And the guy is not doing bad. Trust me, I won't lie you. I don't see the
fear of Alan.
No, but the guy good. This is when you stop. This now, you know, when we play against Liverpool, now something with you they fear. He do the way we suppose not expect. You understand? Against Atletico Madrid, the same thing. You understand? So you know if you just carry one concept, Atletico Bilbao, I mean. You know if you just say you want to say that guy is not doing well. The guy is good. The guy get present. You understand? Compared to say everybody don't tell us about their key player, now Allah. You understand? If we pocket this guy no level, and they have been doing it. Baba, the guy is good. Muscara is good. The guy is good because I'm not going to support me Saliba company because I can easily tell you as a president now, Muscara is 100% better than Saliba because of the injury. Yes, no. The reason when I talk, I'm yes now because you know if we use Saliba of 50%, say compared to Muscara 100% or 99%. Based on person they come from injury, you want to go fix for that tough game, that intensive game. But I'm reason now. I think I'm going to small picking, we don't get it. You understand where we carry us and then go put on. If it say maybe second half, maybe about 80 to 70 something minutes, if it's okay, maybe drop out. You understand? Make say carry that place well. That's just but starting is about not a support of fix for me.
But I still get feeling say Saliba go start that game. I just get that feeling. Because you know, they say on the train. And Saliba for don dey play since, so I don't believe say now because Mosquera dey. Say Mosquera no dey, Saliba go don play since. Because if you remember that last time they be one play and Saliba tell them say, "Man, give me small time, man, just chill small." I still get feeling, but Mosquera fit still play, but I still get this feeling. In fact, this argument it just be like this. No, the Madueke Bukayo Saka. Because if you check the press conference, so that they ask Ateta say, "How far Saka? How far they got?" He say yes. They go still do training today. Then they go come calculate whether he go play them or he no go play them. Some people they say if Saka don't get certified, okay, say make play, say make him play ahead of Madueke because Madueke don't play for. How many goals he don't score? How many assists he don't make?
Baba, the truth is say I go see allow Madueke play because you know what, Madueke no go back. They don't be like you want call the tell me now say maybe go comot Eze, go put Martinelli. Now what you tell me now? Because presently, if you come bring Eze don't play, don't tire, you bring Martinelli, then when this guy who they talk just now, what to be named this former Chelsea player? No, this Chelsea former player.
Okay, Madueke.
So you don't see tire, then you bring the two of them, you bring Saka. You know if you put Saka there because this is the way we with you they use Saka. For a long time when I make an okay, all those things who they use up now I call it feel out now. As far as they don't get replacement. And trust me, now let's go and assist that guy around. Madueke is doing very well. He's doing perfectly well. If we get Madueke like this kind of last season, where Saka say come out for 19 games where he don't play, but we will not take damage reach like that. So not be say Saka no will play, but may not your put on, may they something they integrate us small before it go balance well. And this game about not the game when you know the way 3 or 4 people they gang Saka. Yourself you want injure that injury again because you never strong grip. So if Madueke don't use those people run tire, don't get them beat, they don't get that much strength, if you can deploy Saka, put me finish off. So if you do like that, I like her.
Now you get another argument that people they make. If you observe the Arsenal games. Now, people they talk say for big games, I think that they always be cautious. You know, they like to go all out. Now, many fans will say for this Man City game, we'll go all out. So we'll go all out. Now, for this we'll go all out, I can't go look for the formation where Man City they play against Napoli. We will see their squad 4-1-4-1. Look in midfield, Rodri don't come back. Oh, seeing rating, Rodri the banner. Now, no forgetting them buy the best defensive midfielder for Serie A, Tijani Rangers. In the for the midfield.
Baba, not best anything. Rangers for best. I never say anything with God.
So what do you mean? They ask now? They say, if now you be Arteta now, you go all out against Manchester City, or you go there a bit cautious.
Baba, I know I will be a bit cautious and I will go all out. All out when I
which means you go there balanced.
Balance ahead, exactly. If we go inside, we'll come back. Because if you see that game, the way we say they play, now line they play, they respect themselves, they only run themselves. Because they know say any mistake we each and everyone make, the other opponent will take the chance.
Respect is reciprocal.
Thank you. You see how they play, they respect themselves. They not come between that midfield, you understand? Anybody where you don't get chance, they don't quit take them. But if you don't lose guard, their chance don't come. So I will go all out, then I'll still come back, make yours balance. You understand? That's just it.
This match go tight, so now just that bad blood. Fights will happen. Yeah. The match never come back, and I feel tell you about something. Say this match, they go fight.
So successfully, the time will come. Well. That game, CHUKS now between midfield.
Yes.
Now midfield is now between because they get winger, we get winger. Now between midfield, and when you come to that game now between Rodri and what do they call it? Our Zubimendi, now the two of them. Because Zubimendi is doing perfectly okay, just like the way Rodri they do. You understand? So that game, if you look at that between midfield, that game are between midfield. So not go surprised, you go see somebody like Merino, Declan Rice, and Mendy what we talk. So even that game, one really I think I feel look and say one really too small for that game. The experience never reach. Because that midfield now, I will talk about that game.
I did tell you, that's what the midfield.
Yes, now you'll be now I will talk about that game. That's why I pay me and say, I will say Odegaard fit day. And I think I didn't listen to GLFC the way somebody talk to me. Why be sending someone meet Man City Saka not they represent?
Now me they talk and they ask and I say why?
You understand?
How many times we don't play now? Go into Saka they injured. Why? I don't just understand.
And I would say somebody like Kai Day about that meeting go for your lockup.
Yeah.
That meeting go for your field. You understand? So, but all this, what can we do? No? We'll use the instrument to get straight follow.
Talking about Kai, I can't the reason say with Gyökeres so we'll get not really they go long go. You notice? Sure.
We not they go.
If you say Kai they go give us that option of going long.
And nobody say even Gyökeres we suppose even they go long for them, but they go, but it's not like the way it's supposed to be.
Nobody like before.
Now make me they respect one person we don't send a team any. Now let's say they bring that kind of ball come match, we'll say they go long. And if you see, and this person even they try what they do, and this our left footer, we come from Italy, what to be name again? Calafiori. But if they do, I know they do a risk because he even come they don't go midfield. You know understand? So the thing, I will say Kai day, people go for the goal more, and above all, Kai or no Kai, at least if you see observe one game, we see they play. We never see Sabi use that middle. Now for flank, we see they use.
We still they learn them. If
you look at that flank, we see never did.
You never did body. We still the observer. They learn them on the way. In fact, you get another argument. Some people they bring go as they talk about going long. Some people they talk say this Gyökeres so buy no be our striker. Say na Man U striker. Say Man U buy our own striker. Say to say we get Sesko now. Everywhere for stew. Everywhere for good. You subscribe to that line of thought.
Like now their opinion. Okay, the Man U wait, there are many go on our 50.com.
Now maybe they talk say no be Man U player. Say we buy Man U player.
So okay, the Man U player now when we go back, which is the Gyökeres, is he not doing better than Sesko? Is he not doing better? No, at least, but now their opinion. It's just that you just like the way they condemn Madueke. Say how you go buy Chelsea whatever. But right now, not be play. So when say that guy never eat the ground on. If you look that guy, which is Gyökeres, the guy they horse zone where you say attack the horse zone. Now also they say go bust the head. So when the two of them not say no. So the guy get prepared. The guy be like Eliala. If he bully their defense, so he did there. Not be that time when they bully you. If he bully them, if he use them wrong, why AZ, if they do the damage, you understand? Just like that's one thing when I respect Madueke. Madueke, no, they go back. He go like one commit them. It's just that he finish up, never see grow reach. You see they go off. Now Saka say pass. Saka say if he go there, not finish, he go try one finish on his own. So like that. So everybody knows to be equal. That's why we need them in different places. That's just it.
All right, what is your prediction for the match?
Now by the 3-1.
3-1.
That's when I will be there. 3-1, yes, or 2-3-1. You understand? We need them, Baba. We need them. You understand? Wow. We need them.
Oh, I just see 1-0. In fact, after they record this video like this, Manchester United are just in the play. Man, they beat
Chelsea. If we see the talk now, Casemiro don't get ready.
Now I won't talk now. I just want to talk.
So, you see, we are now Chelsea coach for this game.
He don't
go key player. He just go to pass defend the
foot for back. Control.
Then he just go to pass defend the foot for back.
You want to do damage control.
You know, and we don't say no sabi do one. But they don't get now. Maybe second half now because the first half don't much finish now. Maybe they'll come out well because now 9 minutes.
Don't do it for now. Don't do it for now.
Don't do it for now. Maybe if you don't have dressing room now, maybe go bring other. And moreover, the mistake we made now, he don't come off Kopama.
Exactly. So
I don't know if I'll be bring again. We will keep it on now. But what you say? Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
All right, so Mama Sato, this is where we'll end the show. So we'll see how the match will end out. All right, thanks for joining.
Okay.